Good morning from the Arctic Southeast. We survived our first frozen night in the camper. So it got down to, I think with wind chill, it was like a -10 last night, and air temperature I think was hovering right around 5 degrees. For reference, this is the Southeast. It doesn't get that cold. So apparently it did, and now we're all having to scramble and trying to figure out what to do. We have extra measures that we managed to install for the camper, like heated water lines, all sorts of things, but still it just gets that cold to where you need to do extra efforts. So last night we let the water drip, we kept all the cabinet doors open, we have a space heater that we put on certain areas that we thought were maybe gonna freeze, and the propane basically ran all night long and it's still going. I think we used in 24 hours 30% of our large propane tank. So the furnace has been going. We woke up, it was a little chilly, but it was fine. Windows are frosted, water was still on, and then we went to use the toilet and the toilet's frozen. Primitive flushing skills with a pot of hot water. It is what it is. But if that's the least of our concerns, I'll take it. So we are about to head outside. We've got a big day ahead of us. It's Christmas Eve and Santa's coming early. It is brutal out here. We're having to unfreeze a lot of waters. Like I said, we don't normally deal with this stuff, so I mean, right now the investment in equipment that helps keep things from being frozen sounds great, but it's a lot of money for chickens. A lot of money for just a few tries. Chickens. Oh, everything is frozen. Hold on. Level land. Level. There. It's cold. And the wind. Tractor wouldn't start this morning, so we just had to roll a bale from right here out to them.
I mean, that end's got to go this way. Let's see.
Not happy.
All the way home, y'all.
So we have the existing herd of cattle on the land. It's actually a friend of ours, and we help take care of them. He's going to be coming to get his cattle to put up back on his land here soon. So we didn't want to waste all this pasture space, so we decided to get 2 Angus calves of our own. They're 2 bulls, and they were pretty much just weaned from mama. So we're gonna raise them out here to fill our freezer, and we're just gonna roll them in the barn for now because the existing herd is still here. We're gonna let them sit in the barn and kind of touch noses with the existing herd, and then eventually once they get comfortable, we're gonna let them out into the pasture let them kind of roll alongside the existing herd so they learn the perimeter and where the water access is, and just kind of know the ropes of the land. So when the existing herd actually goes to leave, our 2 calves are acclimated and ready to face the wilderness on their own.